Easy to work with rich shades, a wide color range, and the quality of international brand that's Biomaser Pigments. And today we're diving into them in detail. It's going to be interesting. If you have been with me for a while on this channel, hey fam! You already know my name is Olga Yakovleva. I'm permanent makeup artist and trainer and a pro makeup artist, a roller restoration artist and cosmetologist. So believe me when I say I know the pain beauty pros go through. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button right now because I have got a lot of professional and useful content for you. All information in the video subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. The official website informs that the company's Biomaser brand is from San Francisco, USA, with production in China. The company was founded in 2002 in Changsha. Their products include tattoo machines, tattoo needles, spell parts, tattoo furniture, and pigments. Biomaser clients are from the USA, Poland, Germany, Turkey, Russia, Great Britain. Biomaser products also have international certificates FCC, SAA, and CE. I've got 5 pigment shades, 2 for brows, 2 for lips, and 1 for eyeliner work. These examples for different zones will help us get all the info we need. On the packaging, the box has a lot of information. The pigment name, the Biomaser brand, what the pigment is for permanent makeup, and the company logo. There are usage instruction saying you should shake the bottle before working with it. The ingredients are listed: water, glycerin, propylene glycol are used in cosmetics as a moisturizer and solvent, and witch hazel, commonly used to soothe and heal the skin. Storage instruction and other details. The shade name, of course, there is. And there is also a QR code that takes you to the full pigment palette where you can check out all the shades in more detail. Let's open the box. Here is what the pigment bottle looks like. Honestly, I really like the way the lid opens and closes. You press here and it opens. All the info from the box is repeated on the bottle. But there is one extra thing, the color index. It shows the chemical nature of the pigments and the exact shade that make up the color. According to the Biomaser website, these are hybrid pigments, non-toxic and free of heavy metal. They meet all safety requirements and EU standards. The lip line has around 13 shades with different undertones, and the brow line has about 8 shades. These pigments work with any skin type and undertone. The main thing is choosing shades correctly and understanding color theory, so you know which pigment matches which skin tone. You can use them pure or mixed, but personally I recommend working with this pigment mindfully and not burying them too tightly into the skin. Otherwise, you can get an unwanted halide results, because in my opinion, it behaves closer to organic based on their formula. In my opinion, the consistency is perfect, not too watery and not too dense, so they don't need any extra dilution. The only time I'd consider thinning them a bit is for watercolor lip techniques, when you want a soft tint effect, because biomaser pigments are pretty concentrated. Hybrid and organic pigments usually keep about 80–90% after healing, but if you want clean, beautiful healed results, you need to follow the rules when working with these pigments. They go into the skin very easily, they take quickly, and they're quite concentrated. So keep your hand light, don't go too deep and don't do too many passes, otherwise you can end up with cool, unwanted halatones or that plasticine look. Now let's take a look at the shades I have here as examples and break down their ingredients. The first shade is Tone Satin. As you can see, it's a cool tone, pretty close to a cherry shade. The formula includes CI12467, is an organic berry-like pigment with a brown-pink undertone. CI51319, a purple organic pigment, and CI77891, inorganic titanium dioxide. I use this shade with caution in its pure form, so it doesn't heal into a bluish tone unless the client's natural lips are really warm. It works great in mixes to add a deeper, more complex, cool tone. I usually work in layers, and I'd use this shade as a final pass over a more natural or warm base. The next shade is Sunrise Glow. It's a warm tone, kind of like peachy orange or warm coral. The formula contains CI77891, titanium dioxide, CI56110, an organic red pigment, and CI21160, an organic orange pigment. It's great for all skin types. It's especially good for correcting cool-toned lips and works amazingly on darker lips that often have purple undertones. Also a great option for mixing. The next one is the Pro shade Mocha Whisper. It's a warm pro with a strong yellow base. The formula includes CI77266, a synthetic organic black pigment, CI11785, an organic yellow pigment, and CI77491, red iron oxide. It's a mineral. It works well on all skin types, especially on cool skin. If the client has warm skin, you can use it in mixes with slightly cooler Pro shades. The next Pro shade is Midnight Brew. It's a brown shade, thin and warm, but with a strong red base. The formula includes CI77266, synthetic organic black pigment, CI77491, red iron oxide, it's a mineral, and CI12467, a berry-toned organic pigment with a brown-pink undertone. I personally wouldn't use it in pure form because it can heal too red on warm skin or with a purple cast on cooler skin types. It works great in mixes and for covering pores with an unwanted greenish tint. The eyeliner shade is Onyx Eclipse. It's a very rich, highly pigmented, dense black, pure organic. The formula includes CI77266 Carbon Black, a synthetic organic black pigment. It's perfect for lash line enhancement and classic eyeliner. It settles into the skin very quickly and builds the right density and color saturation almost instantly. Alright, let's wrap it up. The Biomaser Pigments are highly saturated formulas based on organic and mineral components. According to the company, they are safe and non-toxic. They settle into the skin easily, build density quickly, and work well with all skin type when you choose the shades correctly and understand color theory. Based on my experience, I recommend working with these pigments mindfully, following rules to organic linen pigments. Burying them too tightly into the skin can lead to cool, unwanted health tones and plasticine effect.